Good morning, students. Let me start today class. Today I am going to explain geometric series. Okay. So in earlier classes we have discussed about geometric progression. Okay. Arithmetic progression, arithmetic series, then geometric progression we saw. So geometric progression is completed. Next, geometric series. What is mean by geometric series? You see, a series whose a series whose terms are in GP is called geometric series. Is called geometric series. This is called geometric series. A series whose terms are in GP. Okay, series means what is that? Want to add? Yes. So sum of the series. Then mean or else sum of the geometric progression GP. Sum of the geometric progression is called geometric series. Like that also we can tell. Okay. So a series whose terms are in GP is called geometric series. Okay. For example, you see GP, we know that GP is AR squared, AR squared up to etc. AR to the power n minus 1. Yes. So it will go on. So this you should add means okay. Series means let geometric series is a plus ar square plus up to etc plus ar to the power n minus 1. Okay, sum of the geometric progression is called geometric series. So you want to add the terms. Suppose up to n terms you should add means okay. What is the formula you see here? Sum of n terms of an GP. Okay, so geometric progression means in between comma want to come. Yes. So suppose sum of n terms you should add means. So we are adding this. Let's Sn is equal to a plus ar square plus up to etc plus ar to the power n minus 1. So in this geometric progression we convert into series. That series up to n terms is should add means what is the formula you see. Okay, Sn is equal to generally here Sn is equal to a into r to the power n minus 1 divided by r minus 1. Okay, what is the formula? A into r to the power n minus 1 divided by r minus 1. So here condition is given r is not equal to 1. Why? Suppose r is 1 means 1 minus 1 0. So denominator zeros comes, we will get the answer infinity. Okay, so the infinity means we do not know. So here r strictly is not equal to 1. Suppose here one more, r is greater than 1 means we can use this formula. Sn is equal to a into r to the power n minus 1 divided by r minus 1. Suppose r is less than 1 means, so comparing 1 we are getting less value, ratio is getting less value. Here what is the meaning of a and r? You know, a is called first term and r is called common ratio. Yes, so here common ratio value is less than 1. Okay, so comparing Sn formula, what does that mean? Sum of the series a of first one want to come, so 1 minus r to the power n divided by 1 minus r. So in your book generally it is given this r not equal to 1. So while using the sum, okay, while solving the sum we can apply this formula. It is easy. Okay, r is greater than 1. For example 2 3 4 5 like that it is getting. Okay, 5 by 2 like that it is getting. First formula want to use a into r to the power n minus 1 divided by r minus 1. Suppose r is less than 1 means smallest value are getting means minus 1 1 by 2 like that we are getting means Sn is equal to a of 1 minus r to the power n divided by 1 minus r. Okay, so I do not know, sir, I cannot apply this one directly. You can apply this formula also, we will receive the answer. Okay, some modification want to do, but so exactly you are applying this, easily we will receive the answer. Okay, for simplification it is easy. So that next, suppose here r is equal to 1. Suppose ratio we are getting 1 means what is the formula? R is equal to 1 means Sn is equal to Na. You will get Sn is equal to Na. Okay, this is, So there are geometrics, there are three formulas are there. Okay, r is greater than 1, r is less than 1, and r is equal to 1 means Sn is equal to Na. Okay, then next you see next sum to infinite terms of an GP. Okay, suppose n terms you should add means this is the formula. Okay, Sn is equal to, this is the formula, r is greater than 1 this one, r is less than 1, r is equal to 1 this formula. Suppose up to infinity terms we are adding, sum to infinite terms of an GP means geometric progression. Okay, geometric progression series you should write up to n terms we are adding. Okay, let S infinity up to infinity terms you are adding means a plus ar plus ar squared plus up to etc. it will go on. Okay, so up to infinite terms you should add means S infinity, what is the formula, means a divided by 1 minus r. Okay, a divided by 1 minus r, this is the formula. Okay, here r condition is minus 1 is less than or is strictly less than 1. Okay, in between only you will get minus 1 to 1, in between only r value you will receive. Okay, so not more than 1, not less than minus 1. Okay, in between value only you will get. So sum of infinite terms of an GP is S infinity, what is the formula, means a divided by 1 minus r. Okay, there are four formulas here. Okay, so r is greater than 1 means this, less than 1 means this, r is equal to 1 means Na, S infinity means a divided by 1 minus r. Okay, so using these four formulas we are going to solve exercise problem. Okay, look at that exercise problem. See exercise 2.8, first point. Okay, first question, first point. Find the sum of first n terms of the GP. Up to n terms of GP you should add means what is the answer question asked. Okay, Sn we want to find. In this sequence, sum of first n terms. So you should be added up to n terms. What is the answer question asked? Okay, so see solution. First, let us choose this. Let Sn is equal to 5 plus minus 3 plus 9 by 5 plus, okay, minus 27 by 25. Okay, minus comes, you used to put bracket plus up to etc. to n terms. Okay, up to we are adding n terms. Up to n terms we are adding 2 n terms, not plus 2 n terms we are adding. What is the answer question asked? Okay, first want to find here first term a is equal to 5, then common ratio want to find, common ratio r is equal to t2 by t1, so minus 3 by 5. Okay, minus 3 by 5. So here you check it, here r is, okay, compare, it is less than 1. Okay, because negative is came, so it is less than 1. R is less than 1 means use Sn formula. What does that means? A of 1 minus r to the power n divided by 1 minus r. From 1 want to subtract with the r, ratios want to subtract. Now substitute the formula. In this formula values you substitute. So Sn is equal to a value is 5 of 1 minus r value is minus 3 by 5 whole to the power n divided by 1 minus of minus 3 by 5. Okay, close the bracket. Okay, so this r value is substitute. After that you simplify this. Simplify means 5 of, now 1 minus minus 3 by 5. Numerator you should write as it is. So we cannot simplify numerator because n we do not know. So up to n terms only we want to find. Now denominator minus into minus plus. So LCM want to take means 5 plus 3 whole divided by 5 you will get. Okay. Denominator want to take it as a LCM. So 5 ones are 5. 5 minus into minus change into plus. So 5 plus 3 divided by 5. Now next you should simplify this. We will receive the answer. Therefore 5 of, numerator you should write 1 minus of minus 3 by 5 to the power n divided by, here 5 plus 3 8, 8 by 5. Now denominator 8 by 5, it's go numerator means, okay, you will get 5 into 5 by 8. 5 into 5 by 8 by 5, it's go numerator 5 by 8 into this numerator is write 1 minus minus 3 by 5 power n. Okay, now you should multiply means 5 5s are 25 by 8. Only 5 you should multiply with the numerator alone. So 25 by 8 bracket of 1 minus 3 by 5 power n. Okay, that's this is the answer. So up to given geometric progression up to n terms you should add means what does the answer means 28 by 25 by 8 of 1 minus of minus 3 by 5 to the power n. Okay, this is the answer. That's all. Next see second question. Find the sum of first 6 terms of the GP. Okay. So given GP 6 terms should be added. What is the answer you see? Okay. So first you choose let Sn is equal to let Sn is equal to 5 plus 15 plus 45 plus up to etc. to 6 terms should be added. Okay. 6 terms should be added. What is the answer question asked? So first here want to write first term A is equal to 5. Common ratio R is equal to T2 by T1. So 15 by 5 we will receive as a 3. Okay, we will receive as a 3. Here 3 is greater than 1. Compare 1. Okay, here n is equal to here n is equal to 6 because 6 terms want to be added. What is the answer? So here R is okay greater than 1 because 3. Okay, 3 means more than 1. So that R is greater than 1. Use Sn is equal to A into 1 minus R power n divided by 1 minus R. Okay, A into 1 minus R. Sorry, here R is greater than 1 means first want to come R power n minus 1 divided by R minus 1. Okay. Now substitute S6. N instead of n 6. S6 A value is 5 of R is 3. 3 to the power 5 minus 1 divided by 3 minus 1. So this we can simplify 5 of 3 power 5. Okay. So 3 power 5 value will be sorry here 3 power 6. Sorry n value is 6. Okay, 3 power 6. So n value is 6. So 3 power 6 value will be what is that? 3 power 6 729. 729 minus 1 divided by 2. 3 minus 1 2. Now this 5 of 729 you should separate with 1 means 728 divided by 2. Now 728 you should divide by 2 means so you will receive as 2 table we can cancel. So 5 into this should cancel, we will get 364. Okay, this 2 you should multiply means we will get 1820. Therefore given GP 6 terms should be added. What is the answer means 1820. Okay, that's all. Next see third question is find the first term of the GP whose common ratio is 5 and whose sum of first 6 term is given 46,872. Okay, so before question it is given GP we found sum of 6 term should be added, answer we found. Here answer is given sum of 6 term you should be added 46,872. Common ratio is given, we want to find first term. Okay, so see solution. First what it is given you want to write. Given first common ratio R is equal to 5. Okay, sum of first 6 term S6 value 46,872. Okay, so here want to use here. Okay, R is greater than 1, so use Sn is equal to A into R to the power n minus 1 divided by R minus 1. This want to use. Actually what we want to find first term A want to find. Okay, first term A. So for that what it is given that use. Given S6 is equal to 46,872. S6 formula use A of r power n minus 1 divided by r minus 1 is equal to 46,872. So a we do not know, a only want to find. A you should write as it is. R is 5, so 5 power n is 6, so 5 power 6 minus 1 divided by 6, sorry, r is 5 minus 1. Carefully want to substitute here. N is equal to 6, so better can write r power 6. Okay, so r power 6 minus 1 divided by r minus 1. So here r value is 5, so 5 power 6 minus 1 divided by 5 minus 1 is equal to 46,872. So next step, a of 5 power 6 value, what does that means? 15,625. So 15,625 minus 1 divided by 6 minus 1 means 4 of 46,872. Okay, so from next step, now a of this you simplify. 56,624 divided by 4 is equal to 46,872. Now next step, see, this you should cancel means. Okay, next step, this that side go means a is equal to 46,872 into 4, division 4, that side go, multiplication 4, whole divided by this 15,624 will come down. Okay, now this and this you should cancel means we will get it as a 3. Answer is 3. Here we will get 3. Cancel means 3 you will receive. Therefore, a is equal to 3 into 4. Okay, a is equal to 3 into 4, so a is equal to 12. So a sum of 6 term is given, so you substitute common ratio and S6 value we received as the first term. Therefore, the first term a is equal to 12. Okay, that's all. Next, see, fourth question, find the sum to infinity of. Okay, given series is given, so in this series, yeah, infinity term should be added. What is the answer? Okay, in geometric series only up to infinity terms should be added. Formula is there. Okay, in arithmetic series there is no formula, so S infinity only geometric series alone is there. So you should write yes. Let S infinity term should be added. What is the answer? S infinity is equal to 24 plus 14 plus 28 by 3 plus up to etc. Okay, infinite term should be added. What is the answer? You see, for that first you want to find first term a is equal to 21, then common ratio want to find. Common ratio r is equal to second term divided by first term, so 14 by 21. Okay, 14 by 21. So this can cancel. 7 table means 2 by 3. Okay, r is equal to 2 by 3. So here we know only one formula, so no need to compare anything. Okay, now use S infinity is equal to a divided by 1 minus r formula. A divided by 1 minus r. Now you substitute a value is 21 divided by 1 minus 2 by 3. Now you want to take it as a LCM means 3 minus 2 divided by 3. Denominator want to take it as a LCM. Okay, so 21 by, so 3 minus 2 means 1, 1 by 3. Next step, 1 by 3, it's go numerator 3 by 1. So you should multiply means 23 into 21, sorry, 21 into 3 means we will receive the answer is 63, sorry, 63 by 1 you will get, 63 by 1 anything 63. So given series up to infinity term should be added, answer is 63. Okay, that's all. See, next question, if the first term of an infinite GP is 8. Okay, so first term of an infinite GP is 8 and first term is given 8, actually first term, and sum to infinity terms should be added. S infinity value is 32 divided by 3. Then want to find the common ratio. Okay, it is easy. So before questions, it is given one of the series and we want to find S infinity terms. Here S infinity value is given, first term it is given, want to find the value of common ratio. So see solution, first given you should write given, what it is given, first term a is equal to 8. Okay, then next S infinity term you should be added, answer is 32 by 3. Want to find common ratio, or want to find common ratio R. So for that use here, since or else given S infinity is equal to 32 by 3. We know S infinity formula A divided by 1 minus R. A divided by 1 minus R is equal to 32 by 3. Now A value want to substitute. A value is 8. 8 divided by 1 minus R is equal to 32 by 3. Now doing cross multiplication, this 8 3s are 24 is equal to 32 times of, okay, 32 times of 1 minus R. Okay, 1 minus R. Now this you should simplify. Now 24 here 32, 8 3 is 24. So 24 is equal to 31 into 1 32 minus 32 R. Okay, so 32 you should multiply with both the terms. Now next step we need R only, so that minus 32 R this side comes plus 32 R is equal to 32 plus 24, that side go minus 24. So 32 R is equal to, you should subtract this, we will get 8. Now R only we need, so 8 by 32. So this you should cancel, means R you will get. Okay, 8 table 32 is possible, 8 4s are 32, so 1 by 4. So ratios want to find, therefore the common ratio R value is 1 by 4. Okay, that's all.